the thing that I've learned through this process and from listening to others is that you should hire for attitude rather than skills. Unless you're looking for someone to do something really very specific for you, then, look at what is their attitude, because there's plenty of people with skills out there, but not many with the right attitude. And it's quite easy, really, to teach someone a procedure. However, their work morale, their attitude, well, you can't change that and do much about that at all. So what should you be asking for? Here's some of the more technical things, apart from obviously the job requirements that you're looking for. But make sure they've got a good internet, they've got a computer that's fast, and you can obviously test this as well using internet speedtest.net. And you should be looking at 1.5 to 3.5 megabytes per second. Now this is really small by Western standards, but in the Philippines that's quite good. So do realize that internet speeds could be quite slow. Now when you do the video interview with them, you should be able to tell based on the interview how good their internet connection is, based on how clear their video is, how clear and crisp that video and the voice is coming through. You can also ask them to share their screen and do the speedtest.net speed test directly with you whilst you've got them online, so you can actually see exactly what speed they're at. Now, you can upgrade managers to bigger plans, or to your staff to bigger plans, up to even 10 megabytes per second. And will cost you around $60 a month, which can be an added bonus to them